Now, in Florida state capitol, students and civil rights groups are making their voices heard. They're talking about that Supreme Court decision to roll back the Voting Rights Act that happened just weeks ago. And they said that there is going to be no justice, no peace if they aren't able to exercise their vote.
No vote! No vote! No vote!
Today, students from the 3 major schools in the Florida Capitol came together under one voice to rally for change.
We all agreed that the changes to the Voting Rights Act were just absolutely ridiculous, and we had to say something about it.
Now, in a 5-4 vote just weeks ago, the High Court said that the Voting Rights Act was unconstitutional and that the data had no relation to the present day. But these students say that monitoring is still needed.
We saw in the last presidential election voter ID.
During the march from the Leon County Civic Center to the historic Capitol, the students braved rainy weather but said that this cause was much larger than them.
To deny millions of people the right to have their voices heard would be unfair to a nation.
Once the students arrived at the Capitol, they said they were combining song and protest with action by writing letters to Florida's senators.
The letters are for Marco Rubio and Bill Nelson, our U.S. senators. They're to inform them that we're adamant about having something changed as far as voting rights, and it's not something that has to be difficult.
During the event, the organizers say that they collected hundreds of letters for the campaign, which is just a start for the thousands they hope to collect. They've also taken to social media with the hashtag #NoVote, saying that until the decision is addressed, that everyone has been silenced.